welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with Sash and Vikram, my only friends. So today we're doing a taste test. We went to the grocery store and we got some sauces, not just for this video, but in general, and we thought let's taste them all and give our honest opinions. So we have 7 sauces with us. We went to get ice cream.
And we ended up buying ice cream last.
Yeah.
So we had our cart full by then.
So that's fun. Okay, so some of them are like, what is this, milk based?
Yeah.
And some of them are like
non-milk.
Okay, so let's try. I'll put this on the plate. Let's
get
first.
started.
Okay, what do we start with?
We can put a little of each.
Yeah, but then what do I start with? What do we taste first?
So let's go in this order, essay. Like this.
Okay, fine. So first thing that we're trying is
cheese
and chili. It's actually a sandwich spread, but honestly, you can use anything.
So hungry. Can you just put it?
Bruh.
spoon.
Okay, so this is cheese and chili. Let me warn y'all, I have very bad spice tolerance. So what I find spicy, don't consider that. If they both say it's spicy,
It's
then
spicy.
it's spicy.
Yeah,
You want to stab that or something?
Oh, this is easy to peel actually.
That pasta sauce was horrible.
So we're gonna have it with this basic potato salty chips because it has no other taste. So okay, let's all like take it on our chip and then together we'll like try it.
You have to give it a rating out of 5.
Okay, ratings out of 5, 5 being the best.
Okay.
Can't wait.
Dip it now first. Okay, sorry.
Okay,
1, 2, 3.
But I think it will taste better in a sandwich.
Yeah.
Not as a dip.
Not meant for chips.
Yeah.
Has a very mayo taste
I think it's maybe a 2-1-5.
for a dip.
No,
For a dip.
I'll give it a 3.
2.5.
I'll give it a
I
3.
think I'll give it a 2.
It's not spicy even though it's cheese and chili.
Yeah.
You taste the cheese, but it also has like a mayo vibe.
You have to open it.
The sauce we're trying is honey mustard dressing.
Oh, that smells.
It has a very strong pungent smell.
Pungent smell.
But
I'm a little scared to try it.
yeah, it's not the best like you
I just
smell
took a
it.
little bit.
Yeah.
Can you see? A little bit.
I took a lot. So like let's see.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
No. It's got a very vinegary taste.
I like.
But I like it. In the start, the first is like
Not great.
with chips. It's not great with chips. I would say it's great with like sausages.
True, that's true.
Pork sausages.
Chicken sausages.
I don't like sausages.
Well,
So I give it
I would give it
I still give it a 2.
3.5.
I'd give this a 2.
Damn, I wonder which one will get the 5. I feel like there'll be one sauce when 3 of us are just like.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, next sauce is this by
Sweet chili sauce by Wakefield.
sweet chili sauce. This is a lot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you just eating chips?
So I think this has honey or something that it has that texture.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells so good. It smells damn good.
Okay. Oh, it's very gooey. It's like glue almost.
Yeah, it has I think this is what they put in honey chili potato. I mean, this is sweet chili.
Yeah, true.
You need like a lot.
A lot, yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't come on the chip. Like it doesn't. It doesn't stick to the chip. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
No. No.
I think
I would like this on potatoes.
so far this is my favorite.
This is my favorite. I can have it like that.
This also gets a 2.
4.
Sorry.
4. You're quite hard to impress. Ain't you?
I think I like the barbecue sauce.
Oh, now we have this by Dr.
Oetker.
Oetker.
Fun
Foods. So this is the barbecue sauce smoky. So let's see how that is.
Oh, that smells horrible.
Sure?
It's got a really weird smell.
It's got like a little burnt-ish smell.
Smells
Okay,
like-
fuck that. Okay, I'm just pouring.
Don't put too much.
Enough.
Okay.
It looks like
Fine. So
not
let's
motion
have
ritual.
this. This is barbecue sauce.
It looks like slightly coagulated blood.
Oh God, Sash, we're
Smells like
having
that also.
How do you know what it smells like?
it.
Smells
Does.
metally, you know?
It has a very metallic smell, so
Oh,
I don't look
that's
forward to
no,
this.
no.
I don't
Yeah,
look forward to either. I really hope it tastes
I
good.
It
think
tasted good with the sandwich that day though. That Rosh had made.
Was it the same one though?
I'm not sure, but maybe.
I think it's meant for chicken and all.
Yeah, like.
I mean, yeah, it is meant for
yeah,
meats and
yeah.
stuff. Okay, let's try this. 1, 2, 3.
Ah,
I quite like it. I
Um,
like this actually. The aftertaste is quite
The aftertaste
like
is
smoky.
nice.
It's nice. It's nice.
it's like that Lay's barbecue.
True.
Oh, mix these two. It's damn nice.
Which two?
These the-
Barbecue sauce and the
Sweet
sweet
chili.
chili.
I actually like the barbecue sauce. I don't like the smell particularly.
Yeah, the smell is really weird, but it tastes pretty
Yeah,
good.
it has a very metallic smell, but the taste is really nice.
I think this is a
I-
4.
I would give it a 4.
4 and 5.
2.5.
Okay, we have 3 sauces to go.
Yes.
This one I am scared because it's
Hot sauce.
Hot sauce. Louisiana style. Amma.
Yes.
Shake that. It's a very cute sauce bottle.
Yeah, it's very convenient, like a travel size.
Yeah. Smells hot. Oh, it comes also in that like droplet form.
Because it's quite
That's when
spicy.
shit is spicy, it comes like that. I'm scared. How much you dip?
Vikram just like lathering it on.
I know.
Every sauce.
That's why I put a lot because Vikram takes like some half of what we put. I took a lot, okay? I'm being very generous. Though it doesn't look like a lot.
Yeah, it doesn't look like a lot.
3, 2,
Okay.
1.
Oh no. No, it's not that good.
Tastes like nothing.
No, it just tastes like hot sauce, honestly.
Oh, why did I do that?
Is it spicy?
I put it directly on my tongue. It's
Where did I put
spicy.
it?
It's not.
It's not that spicy though. I think I want to taste a little bit more.
Yeah.
It's not.
It's not very spicy
It's
though.
not
Like
Tabasco.
I would say,
It's not Tabasco level.
yeah. But it has that taste of Tabasco.
Yeah.
It has that.
I
don't
think
know
it's
how.
I
to
think it's like
describe it.
one level milder than Tabasco.
Yeah. How do you like describe that taste? It's like pungent taste.
Tabasco is very pungent. This is less
This, yeah.
pungent.
It,
Tabasco hits you.
Hmm.
This doesn't. It's like unsatisfactory.
Yeah, you're waiting for that spice to hit. It just
it's
doesn't.
not that spicy now that I think of it.
Yeah.
I mean, for hot chili
Hot sauce.
sauce or whatever,
I should have got Tabasco,
But
Yeah.
yeah.
but that's expensive.
this one's only 65 bucks.
So what can we use it for?
I think if you put it on burgers
Noodles.
and layer with all these
It
sauces,
will taste good
so
in a combination.
Or like when you order burger, you can use this as a side like dip thing.
Yeah. So what
I
do you-
think
what
like
do you
judging
rate
it
this?
with chips is little like
Yeah, but like what else can you judge it with?
yeah. I would give this a 1.5.
I think I'd give this a 2.5.
I-
2.5.
I don't really like it, so 1.5.
2.5, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, this one I'm kind of interested because garlic. I love garlic. This is garlic mayo eggless. I like eggless because thought
Egg
of
taste.
egg makes me feel weird about mayo. So yeah.
This was not going through.
Oh,
You fell out.
this Vikram no. Half dip is on their chip. Okay. So
You
this
can take
is
some
the
from
oh
Oh,
so much you took,
oh my
right?
god.
Okay, this is the garlic dip.
Garlic mayo.
Garlic mayo.
Yeah.
I like
I
it.
like this. It reminds me of something.
Yeah.
I can't put my finger on it, but it reminds me of something.
It's very garlicky.
It's good. It's good. It's good.
For someone who likes garlic, obviously you won't.
I would give this a 3.8.
Wow, specifics.
I would give this a 4.3.
Yeah, I think I'd give this a 4.3 as well.
It's really good. It'll
Okay,
taste
actually
really.
I give it a 4, not 3. It's good.
Yeah, it'll taste really good as a dip and in sandwiches and honestly in anything.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Damn.
Okay, so we've come up to the last one,
Yeah.
which is this
It's
is
big.
actually a dip. Like this is
Yeah.
the only one that's an actual dip.
Dip. All of these are
Others
just
are
sauces.
sauces and
dressings.
sandwich dressings. This is the cheese and jalapeno dip. It's a big one,
It's
yeah.
a big glass jar. So we just struggled a little bit with the opening of the
Little
jar. So we had to go put it on the gas stove and like expand to some physics and come back. So it's successfully open now and it smells great.
Yeah.
Can you take a smell?
Take a smell. Oh, it smells a lot like jalapenos. It has a very strong jalapeno.
Yes, it's called cheese and jalapeno.
Yeah. You can't smell the cheese, is what I meant.
Okay.
Okay, so let's try this. I'll use this first.
Yeah.
That it had such a nice swirl. Oh, it's quite thick.
Sticky. Okay.
Okay. Okay. I had an internal burp.
I heard that.
It smells nice,
Yeah.
unlike some of the sauces.
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
This tastes like a dip.
It's like basic
This is good.
nacho dip.
It's good. 5 on 5.
5 on 5.
5 on 5.
Why da?
Because it tastes like a good dip, yeah.
It has a good thickness.
Yeah, it's a dip consistency.
Like it sits on the chip.
Yeah. I like this.
Has a little spice from the
I don't
other.
like it. It's cheese, no? That's why maybe I don't like it.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't like cheese in general, right?
It's a personal preference.
Yeah. But I give it a 5.
I give it a 5. I think
3.5.
I think this one killed it.
For me, this one killed it. Garlic mayonnaise.
You didn't
So
like
good.
Oh, acha.
Okay, I
But-
think let's all, in this section of the video, let's all choose the sauce that we like the
Yeah,
most.
okay.
Okay.
It's in different ways. I like the barbecue sauce and the cheese and jalapeno dip.
Hmm.
As a dip with chips and stuff, I prefer the cheese and jalapeno. But like, if you're asking me in general, out of all of these, I would like the barbecue sauce.
Yeah, same thing. I think as a dip, the cheese and jalapeno is good. But if I would have to choose out of all of these, it's the sweet chili sauce. I really like it.
Yeah,
That's my favorite.
I've seen all these things in Subway.
Yeah,
The
because
options.
usually whenever I have Chinese, I always order honey mustard, honey chili potatoes, and I think this is the sauce that is on it.
Yeah, I would like this with something
Potatoes,
like that.
right?
Yeah,
It'll
yeah.
taste so good.
Or even with honey chili chicken.
Yeah, or like with noodles, or like it'll
So
taste good with
it's a
honey.
good way to like char your
Yeah.
things.
Mmm. Mmm. This is nice. This is my
The
favorite.
sugary. taste.
What's yours?
I think my favorite dip.
You've been eating.
I think your
through
favorite
the
dip
video.
is the chips.
My favorite dip is this one, the garlic mayonnaise by Biba. And my favorite sauce is this sweet chili sauce.
Oh, we have to do that. A dip and sauce.
Because we chose two, no?
Yeah.
So we choose.
No. I mean, if
Yeah.
I have to choose between these two, this one.
I also like the garlic mayo a lot.
So which ones did you really not like at all?
I think not like, but I was disappointed with the hot sauce
True.
Same.
because I expected it to be spicy.
I didn't like the sweet chili sauce as with the chips, and even the honey mustard I didn't like much.
Yeah, I think I've tried honey mustard with sausages, and I think it tastes really good with sausages.
With things, yeah. Even in Subway sandwiches, it tastes
Yeah, I think it has a very
like it.
strong flavor.
good. Yeah.
But it's better than like if you want to start liking mustard, start with honey mustard.
Yeah.
It's a little more subtle. Like mustard is a bit too much.
Yeah.
I like original mustard.
Yeah.
And I think the cheese and chili spread is also nice. I think for a sandwich it will be nice.
or like a burger.
It's not that spicy also,
Yeah,
so I like it.
yeah.
It's very cheesy. So basically, in conclusion, the least of it all is this hot sauce.
That's true. That's very
because
disappointing.
of
it
how
was.
much there's one
It's hyped up.
there's hype. It says hot with a fire symbol on it, with a big chili on it, Louisiana style.
American Garden.
Yeah, that's the brand name.
I know, but like,
Usually, American Garden has really nice sauces. is what I know.
Cool.
Anyway, so that's all. I hope you liked this random taste test that we did. It was literally so unplanned.
Very spontaneous.
Yeah. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And let us know what else you want to watch. Okay, bye.